Bubu and Lulu. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to meet the 4 seasons of the year. Let's welcome them one by one. Spring. Hi, I'm Spring. I wake up the world after winter's rest. The flowers bloom, baby animals are born, and the days get longer and warmer. Can you smell the fresh flowers? Thank you, Spring. Now, let's meet Summer. Summer. Hey there, I'm Summer, the hottest and sunniest season. Kids play outside, swim in pools, and eat lots of ice cream. It's vacation time. Woohoo! Wow, summer is so much fun. Now, let's welcome Fall. Fall, hello. I'm Fall, also called Autumn. The leaves turn red, orange, and yellow, and they fall from the trees. It's time to pick apples, carve pumpkins, and get cozy. Thank you, Fall, and last but not least, here comes Winter. Winter. Brr, I'm Winter, the coldest season. Snow falls and everything looks like a winter wonderland. You can build snowmen, drink hot chocolate, and celebrate the holidays. Thank you, Winter. Each season is so special. Let's clap for all 4 seasons. Remember, no matter the season, there's always something fun to enjoy. Goodbye, everyone.